Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, in this video I'm going to share with you magical remedy to remove skin tag overnight with toothpaste and with very simple and natural ingredients at home. We can prepare this magical remedy and it works like magic. No matter how old this skin tag you do have, it will work for you and it's very effective. You will see results from the first night and then later on it will fall off without leaving a scar. So this remedy works for all skin tag and it's very effective. The first thing we'll need, my friends, is a small piece of fresh ginger, and we need to shred it to get around 1 tablespoon of fresh shredded ginger. Once we get this 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger, we need to add on it 1/2 teaspoon of toothpaste, and here I'm using Colgate toothpaste. And then, my friends, will need to add to this 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice, and you cannot use the market lemon juice, you need to use it fresh in this remedy. And then, my friends, will need to mix all the ingredients very well until they foam a little bit and they get combined very well. Once all the ingredients get combined very well, with an aid of a Q-tip, apply it on the skin tag like so. And you need to apply a little bit more of it like so to cover all the skin tag. And then, my friends, will need to cover it like so, and you need to leave it overnight. This will give you the maximum results. Try to not remove any of the ingredients and leave the skin tag covered like so overnight. And on the next morning you'll find the skin tag kinda got dried and it's going to fall off very easily. I hope this video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming simple and natural effective remedies like that. And I'll see you in my next video.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.